Hello everyone, we're Team Service Stars, and this is our final presentation for the capstone. Along we have Angelina, Caden, Parker, Shirley, and myself, Vincent. So for the problem concept, essentially in the winter quarter, while we were doing market research, we found there was a gap between the UW students and then also the local organizations who are looking for volunteers, and specifically the U District community. And for the UW student, we desperately need a software as a service to find those opportunities, as the one that hosted by UW is severely out of date. For the organization, they also need a brand new outreach platform to focusing on the younger generations because they're still using the traditional email push notification method to reach out to their potential audiences.
So here are some key concepts that drive our solutions. The concepts are community engagement, user-centric design, verification and trust, as well as partnership and collaboration. Following these key concepts, we engaged with nonprofits in U District to understand and meet their service needs. For user-centric design, we designed our volunteering matching website with both the organizers and volunteers in mind to make sure our website is easy to use. We also have volunteering verification process to make sure organizations and volunteering positions are valid. For partnership, we collaborated with U-District nonprofits and community groups to expand the range of volunteer opportunities available on the platform, increasing community engagement.
So before we designed our product, we did some research, which included a literature review, where we found that recruiting but also retaining young volunteers has become very difficult. In our user research through interviews and surveys, we found that students most often find volunteer opportunities through word of mouth, but technology has become more common. And reviewing similar apps through market research, we found that keeping opportunities hyperlocal to UW, having an easy search and filter system, and fostering a sense of community are all important to successful design.
Our first persona is Evelyn. She's 42 years old. She's the volunteer coordinator of Rainy City Soccer nonprofit. She lives and works in the U District and attends monthly community meetings with other U District nonprofits. She wants to promote events and recruit volunteers locally. Next is Jimmy. He's 20 years old. He's a full-time info student at UW. He lives on campus. He likes to attend sporting events and is part of a soccer club. And he wants to find volunteering opportunities locally that suit him and his interests.
When building our website, we definitely wanted to validate a lot of our concepts. So first we established our audience, which we want to focus on UW students, U District residents, and organization leaders for now. We wanted to make sure that our navigation, features, design, functionality, and details were all user-friendly and easy to navigate through, as well as our insights and design direction headed towards working towards accessibility, fixing up our header content, making sure our buttons were easily understandable, and prioritizing user privacy as well as tag moderation.
So let's take a look at a few of our key features before our demo. So first are the organization and upcoming event pages, where users can easily search and filter for organizations as well as all the events that they're running and easily register for them through those pages. Our third feature is following and notifications, where users can follow and turn on notifications for organizations so that they can easily find them in their profile, as well as receive emails for new events. And lastly, on the organization side, we know that getting in contact with your volunteers is critical. So we made it easy for organizers to get the emails of all registered volunteers in their event pages, as well as sending an email list 3 days before each event.
So also in developing our website, we wanted to make sure that we took into ideas our ethical considerations. So we made this website a cross-platform accessible website where you can access through mobile, tablet, and PC devices. We made sure to write up our privacy considerations, which include terms and conditions for users that talk about user privacy, as well as moderating organizations who sign up. And for the most part, we depend on our trustworthy users through event reminders to remind volunteers to show up to their events, as well as the general honor system that exists within the volunteering community.
Lastly, we have the U District Street Fair of 2024. This is on May 18th and 19th, and we have details on our site, and you can register through our site. So you can scan this QR code or just go to udistrict.org/servicestars to see event details and see if you want to register.